My name is Devonae Lewis.
All right, Devana, tremendous performance from the team today. You guys advanced to the finals of the schoolgirl football competition. What do you think about your performance?
I think my performance was great. It's actually better than the rest of my other performances. Like, we came out to win today. We said we were going to win, and we did win.
At halftime, was there any bit of nervousness going in halftime?
No, not at all, because what I normally do is I watch their play in the first half, even though I'm on the field, and then I know how to strategize myself to play in the second half.
Nice. So like you're tactically inept then. You plan on being a coach sometimes after your footballing career?
No, I'm going into the field of, hopefully football takes me further, but I want to go into the field of architecture.
Okay, nice. And what do you think about the Excelsior team season so far and up until this day?
We've had a tremendous season, trust me. Like, the goals that we're scoring, we're giving teams 25 to life. Like, we had an awesome game this season, a really, really awesome one.
All right, and you're enjoying the season as well?
I'm enjoying my season.
All right, congrats here, and hope to see you guys in the final.
And how do you look forward to playing in the final?
I look forward. I think we're going to come even stronger for the finals, because we want to win and retain our title, because we are the defending champions.
And who is your opponent in the final?
Our opponent, I'm not so sure about that one. Homewood? Yes, I'm not so sure about that one.
You don't know anything about that team?
No, I've never yet played against that team ever.
All right. But you intend to win, though?
We intend to win.
All right.
Okay, wish you all the best.
Thank you.
Right.